Hey guys, it's Marie Tavernier from marietavernier.com, and today we are talking about why I love Canva so much. Now, if you're going crazy and all this Canva talk, there is a reason for this, because this is a software that will give you the opportunity to be professional when you're on a budget. And that is the best thing ever, because then it means more profit when you make money online. So Canva is the go-to tool alongside other products and services that I will be showcasing as time goes on. But I want to teach you how to use Canva so that you can get your business set up and start making money online as soon as possible. And the way to do that, or at least one of the ways to do that, is to use their one-page website option and feature. Now, this is available to you online through your Canva store. And if you saw my previous video, which I did yesterday, which taught you how to remove the background of your images, you will need Canva Pro for this. The free 30-day trial is in the description box in that video. I will also put the same link in this video below, so you can access that free 30-day trial. There's no contracts, you're not tied in, and you can kind of play around with all the features, the pro features, for that full 30 days. So it's worth it. Obviously, just if you don't want to go ahead, set a reminder in your calendar to cancel the subscription before the 30 days are up, and then it hasn't cost you a single penny. And not a lot of people will tell you that. So bear that in mind. I'm here to offer value. It's not all about making money for me, but I am here to teach you how you can create a passive income. Now, how do we do this one-page website? It's pretty simple. We're going to head over to Canva, and we're going to open up a document that you have created before. Now, the one that I have created is this online selling course, which is actually available for you via my website, and I'll put the link there in the description box also. You're going to open up the document. This one has 81 pages. It's a full presentation with a lot of information. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to this little arrow here, and we're going to click here, the little down arrow, and then we are going to scroll past down to website. Click on the website button and it opens up some options for you. Now, where it says $2.97, that has nothing to do with the cost. This is actually a free service that Canva provide. These are for images. So some of the images that I have within here are premium images, and they're asking for payment for those premium images. If I want to pay to actually open the full website with all 81 pages online, then I would have to pay the £3, or I could just change the images to something that was free. In that case, before we do that, we can preview the website down here. Now, it gives you different website options. You've got presentation style, which is multi-page, scrolling single page, classic navigation, which is also multi-page, and then the standard. I'm going to stick with presentation, and it will give you a small preview of what your website will look like. So we click on the preview button, let that work its magic and kind of upload itself onto the website. And if you see here, I'm going to move this up so you can see what the actual URL would look like. So that's it there. And let's bring it back down. Now, whilst it's still working through, kind of gathering up as much information as possible, here are the two little arrows for the presentation style. And you just have to literally click here, and it just scrolls through the pages for you. And this is basically your design on the website. This is it. Now, this is a rough draft of a design that I'm creating. And once it's all done, this is what it will look like on the web. And obviously, you can use this for many different reasons. And let me just fill you in on how. You can literally use this to gather people up for your email list. So you can sign people up via the website. send them onto a link where they can sign up for a free guide or a taster version of the course or whatever you need to. And maybe you don't want to pay for another website, maybe you don't want to host it on your own, or maybe you just don't have the funds right now to actually get a website. And there are lots of free versions, obviously, but maybe the hosting cost is too much. If that's the case, then this is a great option. Maybe you just don't want to have to design out a page and you've already done the design in Canva. You can create the website and send people there. Maybe it's temporary. You've written a book and you've done a promotional page. You can design something on Canva, send people to the promotional page to get them to download a free sample copy or to purchase the book. And maybe after 30 days, that promotion has ended. You can now shut down the website, and it hasn't cost you a penny. These are all the reasons why I believe that a one page website would be fantastic for anybody who is selling, promoting, or just generally trying to increase the amount of subscribers they're getting to their website. You can do it here. And as you saw, it literally took 5 seconds. Here is the design. Click preview. And if you want to go ahead, then obviously you would pay if you have premium images and it will open the website. You take the link and you upload it and send people to it. Put it in your emails, send it on WhatsApp, put it on Facebook, whatever you want to do. And this is where they'll go to your one page website. And the great thing about it is, depending on how many pages you have, although it is called a one page website and you can just do literally one page, it will showcase all of your design and all the pages as it scrolls along. So you're not limited. And that is it, guys. So I hope that helps. Head down to the links below to get that free 30-day trial. Click the link, subscribe, click the bell so you know when I do a next video. I've always do my videos on Wednesdays and Thursdays, so look out for those, and we'll see you in the next one.